Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the Bitrix24 CRM. I'll show you how to manage your contacts and add new leads. First, go to the main menu and click CRM. Then, select Contacts to see your entire address book. To add a new contact manually, click the plus sign. A form will pop up, fill in their name, email, and phone number. Click Save and you're done. Now, let's add a lead from an email. In the left menu, find and click Mail. Connect your work email account if you haven't already. Once connected, open any email from a potential customer. Above the message, click the button that says Create, select Lead. Bitrix24 will automatically create a new lead using the sender's email and name. You can find all these new leads back in the CRM under the Leads section. Here, you can track their status, and that's it. You now know how to manage contacts and capture new leads. If this made your CRM simpler, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.